Here's a quick unboxing vid of the new Soundstream Tarantula Xtreme 3500D. I have two of these. I also have the 6000D. It's in my truck right now, powering my two new Soundstream R310s if you want to check that video out. I bought two of these because I like them so much. I got this one first, and I was running a Scar RP1200, which on the dynos puts out what it says, and they're great amps. But these came out, and I just liked how small they are, and they do look cool. You know, they're pretty much the coolest looking amp, you know, I've seen. So that's always a bonus. And they're a lot smaller. So my Scar amp is pretty big. And I know on the dyno this put out what it said, so did the Scar. And I also tested them real world side by side, and this did put out as much as the Scar did. So these things are legit. You got your basic inputs. This only takes one RCA input, not two, and this is a mono amp, but it can be a full range as well. So you have a high and low pass. This model does not have a fan in it, but the bigger models do, like my 6000D does, but this does not get hot. I've cranked this thing for a couple weeks hard, and it doesn't even get warm. So obviously it doesn't even need a fan. But they're really nice amps. Comes with your basic, you know, bass knob, and then these mount a little different. They have separate L brackets that you screw on, and they screw into those holes in the top and the bottom right there. But really good amp, looks cool. The tarantula and the blue lights up. Not a lot goes down into the circuit board, so it doesn't really light up the inside, but those are clear plexiglass, so you can see inside. So I mean, these are kind of a winner. Like Big D said, they put out what they say. They're small, they look cool, and you know, it's a lot better than having a foot-long amp that puts out the same power when you can just get one of these. So check out the other video I have of the 6000D to run the two Soundstream R3 subs. But yeah, these are a winner, guys. Thanks so much.